Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y70 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it because the camera leveler here is only available in the Pro mode. We can do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. So here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the Pro mode. Here we are. Don't be scared about this mode because you can use all of these settings also on the auto. I can also invite you to my other film where I explain how to use this. Now let's stay on the auto and let's focus on this button here at the center. By just one tap here we can turn on the camera leveler and another tap to turn it off. Now let me keep this turned on. As you can see, here we have this line. And this is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. Also, when we don't need this, we can easily tap on this once again to turn it off, and to go back from the Pro mode to the standard photo, let's just tap on the X letter here. So here we are again in the standard photo mode. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.